Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I just want to talk about how you can start to make more money in 2020. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, what I want to talk about is making more money in 2020. So, if 2019 wasn't your year, we all got a fresh start in 2020. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is not just a few different methods that can help you make more money in 2020, but also the mindset that you need to have. Most people are just looking for the fastest way to make money in 2020. What's the best new method that's going to change the world or change my finances? But if you don't have the right mindset to become successful for 2020, basically, you're going to be just doing a whole lot of action and you probably won't get the results that you want to get. So that's why I just want to first start off with this video by talking about having the right mindset for creating success in 2020. Now, if you have a certain goal that you want to reach for 2020, maybe you want to make 6 figures for this year. You need to figure out how you plan on doing that. Are you planning on starting your own business? Are you willing to learn new things that it's going to take in order for you to reach that goal? So you need to have the right mindset in order to reach that goal. So you need to believe that it's possible for you, and then you need to practice discipline. So, for somebody to reach that goal, there's going to be a lot of discipline and sacrifices required. You can't just do the same thing that you did in 2020 or in 2019 and expect to get even better results for 2020. So, in order to get things that you never had, you're going to have to do things that you've never done before. So that might mean staying up later, waking up earlier, putting in that much more extra effort. Maybe it might mean not hanging out or going out all the time. Or maybe not going out to eat at restaurants all the time. And you have to realize that it's going to take time in order for you to reach that goal. Maybe you might want to make $1 million in 2020. Now, I'm not saying that that's not possible, but you need to practice discipline and patience. A lot of people, they just want to become rich overnight. And I've never seen a business model that is like that has stood the test of time. You might see a lot of people promoting this newest, hottest trend or this newest online business method that's gonna make them a millionaire in a week. And honestly, I have yet to find a program or any type of business model like that has stood the test of time. If you want to create real success and make more money for 2020, it's just like I said, you need to practice discipline, patience, and you need to have the right mindset. So you need to believe that it's possible for you. And having the right mindset might also mean that you need to hang around people who are like-minded as well. People who are on the same journey that you're on, they're trying to reach that same goal. Maybe you should hang around with those people instead of people who are doubters or just always talking down to you for having a dream that seems unrealistic to them. Maybe your goal for 2020 is to start your own online business and one day quit your regular 9-to-5 job. If you're telling that to people who are at your 9-to-5 job, they might look at you like you're crazy or you're foolish or just you're a dreamer. And to be honest, that's not really people that you need to be associating with. You need to be involving yourself with other people who are thinking the same way. Maybe it might mean going to special events where you're going to be surrounded with those type of people. Now, if you watch any type of videos on my channel, I give examples of business models that you can use all the time when it comes to making money online. So whether you're going to be getting involved with dropshipping, which is basically promoting somebody else's product online for a higher price, and basically you're marking up the price for their product and you're making a commission with it. Or if you're going to go with Amazon FBA, which is basically becoming a wholesaler on Amazon. Or if you're going to go with affiliate marketing, where you're going to be promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link. These are all great business models to go with. But I would recommend that you choose one. Whatever one it is, don't try to get involved with everything at once because that's way too much energy and time that it's going to take up from you. But it doesn't have to be these specific business models. There's plenty of other business models out there that you can use to create a full-time income. I just talk about these ones in specific because they're the most common ones. And I highly recommend going with affiliate marketing because it's probably the easiest one to get started with. But you're going to see a lot of delayed results with this one because it's not like an e-commerce website where somebody just sees a product, they buy it, and they receive it. Especially if nobody knows who you are. They might know the product that you're promoting to them, but it's going to take time and a lot of content that you're going to have to create in order to build that trust and create an audience before they're willing to buy from you. But if you're somebody who's interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's basically all I wanted to share in this video. And if you're somebody who's looking to get started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a link to an ebook called The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing, and you can get access to it for only $2. It has a lot of knowledge and a lot of valuable information when it comes to affiliate marketing. Well, that's basically all I wanted to share in this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.